you're struggling with unstable videos or looking for a desktop stand, then this L15 tripod should be your top option. Now this tripod comes with a lot of interesting features. One of those being that it has a light that is attached to the tripod stand, which is rechargeable, and it has wireless connection. It has a maximum of 1.1 meters, which is a reasonable height for a tripod that you'll be using on your desktop. So just going to have a quick look at what this tripod stand looks like. So in this package here, which this product was bought from Majinsai, which is an e-commerce platform, you can find a link to the this product in the description. Now in this package we have the tripod itself. We have a manual here which is in different languages, like most electronic devices do come with, so you can have a look at that and maybe learn how to do the connection for this device. Now in our package we have the tripod itself. We have a charger, which is a Type-C charger that charges the light. I'll show you where that goes into. And then now this is our device. It is well folded, very small package that you can even put in your handbag and go with it anywhere that you want to. So this is actually a very perfect device if you want to record live videos, you want to do makeup videos, you want to maybe take a selfie with friends. So if we first unfold this here, and this is like the minimum height, which is short enough. Now on the device, on the back section, we have the light has been attached. So this is the light that helps you maybe capture better photos. So it has a button on this side here. You can turn it on, then you see it is just bright enough. So you can change this. You can change, it has 3 color modes normally, like most ring lights have. So you can change that again to that, and then you can use this. So you see, if I do that, it actually makes this video appear clearer. So if I change light to this and increase the brightness. Now this, as I said before, this light can be charged here. You see it has a Type-C port where you can plug in your charger and plug it to your USB charging system, like your laptop or any device that has that kind of port. Now apart from this light here, this device has Bluetooth or wireless connectivity. You see we have this button here that will help you turn on the wireless feature. You see it blinks, it means it's on. Then you can try pair it with your device. So it means you'll have to turn on Bluetooth in your device and try search for this device here. Now once it is turned on, you can use this button to capture your photos or videos. Now that's one interesting feature about that. Apart from that, this tripod has a phone holder, which is actually its main purpose. So we have this section where you can place your phone. It is extendable, so it means you don't have to worry if your phone does not fit. You just have to adjust this a little bit, so then your phone will fit right in there. Then it is rotatable to this angle, so if you want your phone to be in a horizontal position, you can rotate that, or you can put it in a vertical position. Depends on the dimensions of the video that you intend to record. This is also adjustable. You can reduce this, then you can put it in different angles too, depending on what or how you are recording your video. When it comes to the height of this tripod here, we said it has a maximum of 1 meter. So you just have to try and push this here, then you'll have unlocked that. Then you can stretch it. If you just want to record it on your desktop, you can use the minimum height, which is just that. It will be stable enough because of this support that we have down here. If you intend to, maybe you want to record from a distance, or maybe you want to increase the size of this tripod, you just pull this, then it can be expanded. You see it goes up to 1.1 meter, like I said at the beginning. So that's actually the full height, which goes for up to 1 meter. So you can record with the wireless feature for up to around 10 meters, like most Bluetooth devices work. And you can fold this back here in case you want to maybe record on your desktop. So this device is interesting. I would say it is one of the most convenient features if you are a person who does live videos, or maybe does tutorials, makeup tutorials, you do your reviews. It could help you. If you add this light, it could be helpful. So you see, like, there's that blinking light that you can use also. So it is an interesting device. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this product was bought at Mazinsa. You can find the link in the description, and you can also share with friends or creators that you know that need this kind of device. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps promote it, and also helps us grow as we bring you more review videos.